Globus Gates, welcome back to the channel. And right here, we're in a special job over here. Not only we did the pergolas here, but now we did a massive security gates for our lovely customer. And check out this aluminum, it's insane. And the variation with the black channels, I am just shocked. This job is just phenomenal. It's coming out great, 1,000 times more than my expectation. The clients are just psyched, and every single person who passes here are just completely psyched. They have to stop their car, they have to walk out, and they have to go like this and touch. What kind of wood is this? Oh shit, it's not wood. This is aluminum by Aluma Globus, and it's phenomenal. And you can do it yourself. In our website, we sell this piece for $5.50 a linear foot, wholesale. You can do it on your house, on your pergola, on your barbecue place, underneath your fireplace, you name it, you can do it. It's aluminum, so it's a no-brainer, no problem with water whatsoever. The painting will last forever. It's a film. It's just phenomenal. And the biggest benefit of this product that we have come up with is the speed. The speed is just like Lego. It clips into each other and it's just phenomenal. Give me a minute, I'll show you how. All right, got our sample. I got it in the car every time. You know it's the best. So check this out. You got these angles here, which you have those angles all around the frame. And then you got the channels that go in. You screw them in. You get your next aluminum channel, drops it in the frame. Very durable, very strong. And it hides the screws. How phenomenal that is. Amazing. Then you put your next screw. You take your next channel. You put it in, and it has your next screw. It's a super convenient for the installer. So $5.50 linear foot, which is cheaper than ePay. And check me if I'm wrong on Google. Google is never wrong. I mean, sometimes it is, but check me if I'm wrong. Call the vendor around and check how much the ePay costs. This is $5.50 linear foot. And I guarantee you, this will take you a gazillion times more fast than wood, because wood you got to do screws. If you're gonna do plugs, so forget it. If you do plugs, it's done deal. You got to cap it, glue it, polish it, oil it, and if you're not gonna do it, you're gonna have to pre-drill, put the screw. You have use special screws, ePay screws. They're small, they're the same color. It's very expensive, very hard. They break on you sometimes. Then you got to oil everything, and then you got a crack down there. Oh. And now you got to take everything apart and to change that piece because you got a crack, because it's new wood and it's natural. I personally love ePay. I have personally in my home an ePay deck, and it's lovely, but I have maintenance it with my workers 3 times this year, and I'm done with it. So next time I'm just changing it to a composite material decking, or if we'll have the aluminum decking by then that'll be my go-to. But I'm gonna go with composite decking because I just can't do the wood no more. If it's a small wall, small bench, fine, ePay. But big walls like this, especially in the front, you don't want to maintenance. This is stuff that you don't want to maintenance. If it's a spa, fine, put ePay. But walls, gates, fences, wall toppers, even if your ceilings, a lot of people have their houses and then they have this little peach coming out. You know how beauty this is with some LED lights? This is freaking nice. This is easy, and the thing is, it's light. So even if you have something fall off, which is not gonna fall off, because first of all, you got the L's that are holding, and then you got this component that it just channels right in, so you're good to go for life. So that's talking about the Aluma Globus product that you can purchase today from our factory, Wholesale Canoga Park, 21520 Blythe Street. Just Google, you'll find the address easy. And if not, just get the Globus Gates, the pros, to do the massive jobs for you. LiftMaster motors, security pedestrian gates, this beautiful, huge swing gate. It's gonna be on a high wind place. You got that 3-inch frame, phenomenal, by Globus Gates. Go get your gates today at globusgates.com. You can see some samples. It's called Aluma Globus. You can just email us or text us or call us. We'll be happy to help you. Send us your project sizes and we'll tell you exactly what you need and how much you need to spend to get that job done. Come by and get your free sample and a magazine today and enjoy all of our products from Aluma Globus, the wall cladding, to our composite fence Alu Globus, or even our Aluma fence slats, our black aluminum slats. Phenomenal products, very easy, very convenient. By the way, new Alu Globus fence, the composite, we have aluminum decors, super, super elegant. And now you can even put glass. Yeah, you heard me right. Glass in our fences, in our gates. Do it to yourself kits, DIY kits, $435 for a panel of Alu Globus, and a gate is $1148. And this is a no-brainer. $5.50 a linear foot for this. I'm buying it. All right, Globus Gates checking out on this magnificent job. See you guys. Globus Gates, get you those silky smooth jobs for the best price, with the best installers, with the best equipment, direct from the factory, using our direct factory products. That cannot be done other than Globus Gates, guarantee.